guys, so magwa-walk-walk na kami ni Habi. Since nag-retire ako, we've been walking.
We'll do it backwards this time.
Yeah.
We'll go around it
So,
backwards.
ayan, do you still hold hands? Woo! Sweetheart! We gotta...
Yeah, we need to walk on the other side of the road.
Bye! See? Ang ganda ng mga bahay dito sa area. And guys, so ang ganda. Ang ganda sa subdivision. Another beautiful house. And ayun guys. Ganda. Guys, beautiful houses. Beautiful houses.
Down there.
Okay.
See, way over yonder.
Okay. Big houses. Big houses. Hi guys, we're still walking to this beautiful village. I mean neighborhood in our area. Guys, beautiful houses. Ayan guys. Beautiful. Laki ng bahay. Oh.
It's a different kind of grid.
And guys, ang lalaki ng bahay. So we are now in Virginia Mine. Guys, we're here at the Hendricks. Yung bahay dito mas malalaki compared sa bahay namin. And guys, tingnan mo guys, ang gaganda. Grabe. Houses, houses, big houses.
Little.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Para kang nasa Baguio.
Turn short right there, I can't tell.
Okay, it's working with the house. Very so beautiful houses. Beautiful, beautiful houses. Guys, we're very close now to our house. Really close, about 5 minutes walk. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Para kang nasa Baguio.